Hi guys, what's up? This is Forum and welcome back to my channel. You already know how happy I look because Goa makes my soul happy. It makes me so happy. I'm so glad to be finally here, to be finally out of the house. I know. So today we are going to this place which has been a constant favorite in Goa since quite a few years, and I have Rohan Bhaiya with me. Hi, bolo. Awkward mat ho jao. And obviously there's Sagar. Rohan is actually Sagar's brother, elder brother. And हम तीन निकल चुके हैं. कहाँ जाने के लिए? To the favorite place, yeah. Forgot. So stay tuned. I've actually covered this place a lot of times in my vlog, in my previous vlogs, in my Goa vlogs, if you've seen it. But aaj ka vlog is like dedicated to that particular place. I'm really like excited to show you all that place because I know everyone's gonna love this place a lot. It's like our most secret possession, you could say. I know I'm hyping things way too much, but it is. And it's like a 2-hour journey from the place that we are staying. We are staying right near the airport, which is Dabolim, and this place comes in Kabde Rama. It's like a cafe cum restaurant, I think. So we're gonna go there and I'm gonna show you how the place looks. The place is stunning and it's at the most perfect location, you know, that one could find. So yeah, we're gonna travel 2 hours from here and we're gonna go through all this lush forest, beautiful street. Roads are narrow, which is why I could not drive. I drove for a while, but then not anymore. Anyway, yeah, I think I'm just quickly gonna show you the place now once I reach there. Bye.
वो कॉन्शियस हो जाता हूँ मैंने कैमरा कम आता है ना सामने मेरे सबसे फॉकॉल सेल्फीज आते हैं
अभी we are like I think half an hour away from the place, ना? 10 minutes. अच्छा 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes away from the place, and we met cows.
गाड़ी घूम रहा है इधर राइट लेफ्ट अप डाउन.
चुप रहे. As I was saying, yeah, it's such a beautiful day today. The sky is so clear. The clouds are in good condition. Oh God, please let me vlog. We look at the sky. It's so beautiful. Clouds कितने pretty लग रहे हैं, and like this palm tree.
बोलेगा आपको ऐसा यहाँ से देख के कोई भी एंगल से समुंदर नहीं दिख रहा है बट इसी जगह ऐसा व्यू है
कि
आपके होश उड़ जाएंगे. स्वर्ग का दरवाजा यहीं से खुलता है. यही है वो रास्ता जहाँ स्वर्ग का दरवाजा खुलता है.
ऐसा है क्या?
इसी जगह इसी
आगे
बोकला जाओगे, चमक जाओगे, चौक जाओगे. देखा, आई एम अ गुड ब्लॉगर बाय द वे.
Vlog. You should start vlogging.
I will. If I start vlogging, you people will career ends.
Guys, we are almost here. I don't know if you can see. उधर दूर इतना ocean दिख रहा है, and this is like the barren land. We have come on this hill. Oh.
Mask pehn.
Pehna hai. Mask is very compulsory here in Goa. I think so. We have to wear a mask at
500
all.
rupees to just distribute.
I don't have 500 rupees to distribute, but there are many cafes यहाँ पे जो खुल गए. पहले ये सब नहीं थे ना. ये fisherman था शायद फिर भी. So we have come to this place abhi. This is the cliff of Kabde Rama, and फिलहाल I'm just gonna go out. कैसे यार बाहर जाने वाली हूँ. We're gonna chill here for a bit. It's quite, like I said, you know, the weather is super pleasant. So बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. It's relaxing वाला weather. It's not even sunny. So we're gonna chill on this cliff for a while. We have parked our car right here. Isn't this place stunning? It's beautifully stunning. Wow. Did you see how empty this place is? What even? Anyway, we are just gonna chill here for a bit. Like, we're gonna have a couple of beers and, you know, just take in the view and chill karenge like we normally do, and then we'll go to Red Crab for some meal. I think we've not had our lunch yet, but that's fine. Like, we're not hungry. We woke up pretty late and we had our breakfast pretty late, so ठीक है, चलता है वो तो. We'll have our lunch later. But see, it's so windy. Hi, hi, Babu. Hi, 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 hi. Cutie, cutie patootie. Guys, we are giving them Kaju Katri. पसंद है? Happy Diwali. ओ नहीं, नहीं खाना. उसने खाया, तुझे नहीं खाना. बाबू, आजा. तुझे खाना. बाइट मत कर. अभी 1 2 3 स्टार्ट. ए नीचे मत गिरना. बच गए, नीचे नहीं गए. Like the most classic combination, Budweiser and Blue Lace with a view, and I don't know what is he up to. What are you up to? और उधर कांच है by the way.
तस्वीर खींच रहा हूँ.
तस्वीर खींचिए जी जरा. This is
बर्तन कैसे रेडी हो गया?
interesting stuff.
Now my turn. Let me see if I can pull it off. It's an art, you know. And then some froth on the top.
शेफ कारी
दोन
बस
वेज शाकोती, एक कढाई वेज, 4 प्लेन रोटी आणि 1 प्लेन राईस.
होय सारखे.
डन. फ्रेंच फ्राईज.
फ्राईज यायला मरे.
फ्रेंच फ्राईज
ते झालं.
हां,
मसाला तोच यूज कर मरे. होय
मरा मरा मरा
झालं
गर.
झालं. होय पोरे आहेत.
पोरे.
बरे आहेत ते जेवण तुमचे.
We've ordered for the classic Goan fries.
तुम लोग को फिश का मजा लेने का?
नहीं, मुझे नहीं लेना.
अरे फिश नहीं दूंगा,
तो
बट तेरे को फिश के मसाले में बटाटा फ्राई करके दूंगा.
हाँ चलेगा,
प्रॉपर पतला रवा और मसाला फ्राई.
चलेगा.
भाई ये पहिलीच सांगता येईल नका.
Ordered for some
भाजी भात कर.
sakuti. Having rice and veg sakuti. Let's see. I've always had this over here, so tasty ही I know. Spicy and too good. बहुत tasty है. The sun is about to set and Sagar's sitting here, so I'm just gonna go and join him. It's like a difficult path. Hi. Hello.